तो हाय व्यूअर्स, वेलकम है आपका परफेक्ट इंस्टीट्यूट के इस यूट्यूब चैनल के एक और इंटरव्यू वीडियो के साथ। और आज हमारे साथ है आशा। आज हम जानेंगे उनकी जर्नी के बारे में कि इंग्लिश सीखने से पहले उनकी लाइफ में क्या चीजें थी और इंग्लिश सीखने के बाद क्या चेंजेस आए हैं। सबसे पहले आशा, वेलकम है आपका परफेक्ट इंस्टीट्यूट के इस ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल पे।
Thank you, sir.
So Asha, firstly, I want to know, and also our viewers want to know that what was your environment related to English actually in your village, in your school, where you have done your schooling. So tell me about that thing.
Well, it is an amazing question. I would love to answer this question. I had completed my schooling, government school, and I also complete my in village school. So that time I have no environment to speak in English fluently. And honestly speaking, I don't knowledge about how to speak in English fluently. And my teacher always told me you should learn grammar rule, because if you knowledge about grammar rule, you can speak in English fluently. But I always try to learn grammar rule, but what I'm trying to say, I always face the music. And let me tell you, I decided English is enemy in my life. And after that, when I joined Perfect Institute, first day when I attend my class, that time I learned new things, and I realized right now I am also right place to learn English. And that time I start my journey, and right now I am talking with you, sir. So that's what I wanted to say.
I do remember when you came here first time. So what was your level at that time, and now at what level you are? So this is a very, I would say that it's an amazing journey, because you know that when I was at very low level in English, especially in English, so that time right, I felt many things, right? But nowadays when I speak, like I'm talking to you and you are talking to me, so I didn't realize about myself that what was the journey, how I that completed that journey. But when I have seen you, so from the very first day till now, I have seen that that when you complete your first level, second level, day by day your performance, that you got the best position, you got the best level. So that's why I can understand, and I have seen not only you, there are also other students. So tell me that suppose there are many of the students, but there are many of the children and also parents, they want their children, वो अपने बच्चों को भेजना चाहते हैं, वो सिखाना चाहते हैं इंग्लिश, और इसीलिए बहुत सारे स्कूल्स जो और पेरेंट्स जो हैं, इवन आई हैव सीन, वो अपने बच्चों को प्राइवेट स्कूल्स में एडमिशन देते हैं, सो दैट एटलीस्ट उनकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा बेटर हो सके. So but I have never seen in surrounding me, actually I have never seen any student की गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से या प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ने के बाद जो है स्पेशली उनकी इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा एक चेंज आया है. सो as you have completed that, you have completed your schooling from government school, right, as you told. So it is real, or the thing is that if a student like studies in private school, his English will be good automatically. It is true or not?
So honestly speaking, sir, I want to tell you, if your children go to private school, so that time you also give your student environment related to English, but he can't speak in English, because I strongly believe English is a language, not a subject. If you learn English like a subject, so you can also knowledge about bookish knowledge, you can grab, but you can't speak in English fluently, because when you what I'm trying to say is, our teacher always teaches us you have to learn grammar rule, but grammar rule is bookish knowledge. But after some time, when you realize your English writing is when you other person give you sentence related to English, that time you also attempt all the question. But now when you try to speak in English, that time you stuck and you fumble and you feel uncomfortable. So I strongly believe that when some peoples also prefer to private school their children. That time they also give their children environment, but their children can't speak in English fluently, and that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah, I have seen that because many of the people, they that they prefer their children to study in a private school. Why? At least they get a good environment there, right? So that their English level will be improved. But that I have hardly I have seen like the people or the students, right, who is in private school, his or her English is, especially speaking in English is good actually. So that's why. But I would say that because I have that I have been training people for many years, right, for 7 to 8 years, that how to speak in English. So I have seen, if anybody has the strong reason, doesn't matter what is his background, right, from where he got that his education, he was a student of government school or a private school. If anyone has a strong reason why he wants to learn to speak in English, he or she can learn or can speak is English easily. So it is the thing, as you told. I do agree with you. There is another question for you, that what do you say that, yeah, what do you want to say that anyone who wants to learn, who wants to speak in English, right? Doesn't matter he is a student, doesn't matter she's a housewife, doesn't matter he's like a job class person or like a business class person. So if anybody wants to learn English, like from where he or she should start?
So let me tell you, sir. First of all, I want to tell you, if you want to learn English, so first of all you have to ask question why you learn English. Because when I also came this institute, sir also asked question, and that time honestly speaking I stuck. I don't know how I can tell sir why I want to speak in English and why I learn speaking English. So if someone also ask question related to, if you want to English if you want to learn English, so why? So first of all I want to ask why you learn English, and after that after learning English, what you will expect your English journey. And let me tell you, that time first time sir asked me question, I didn't knowledge about how I can reply my sir question answer. So that time I also told my what I'm trying to say is, that time I also told my sir I want to speak in English fluently. I don't know, there is no particular reason, because that time I have no knowledge about how to speak in English fluently. And also I started my journey first time. I decided I took an action related to English, and I also go to little student, and I take class school students, and I want to learn first of all I want to learn grammar rule. At that time, first time when I learned first sentence, and that time I feel elated, because in my whole life I didn't knowledge about, my sir also teach me related to grammar, but that time always big to me, and I never learned grammar rule. And that day first time I learned, and that time my feeling was over the moon. And so where was I also asking, what I'm trying to say is, I'm also telling me about, if someone learn to English, so first of all I recommend he and she also clear why he and she learn to English. So that's what I wanted to say, sir.
Okay, so that's very good. So it means, right, now you have completed your second level, right? I would say that because firstly you have completed your first level, then you have completed your second level, and so now you are at very good level. So there is one thing is there actually in my mind, that suppose what kind of opportunity will be open for a person after learning, yeah, after that understanding, or after knowing that how to speak in English, what kind of opportunity will be open for he or she?
If I have to speak on this topic, sir, after learning skill, what type of opportunity other person also grab in their life? So after also I completed my first level, and I also completed my second level. So after completing, I feel confident. And first of all, when you learn one skill, and after that your learning is complete, and I strongly believe that if you learn one skill like a learner, so you can learn very sharply in your life. And if you take action every time what your sir give your what type of task, if you complete on the time, so you can also grow very sharply. And apart from it, I want to tell you, after learning skill, you also grab many opportunity. You can also teach other students how to speak in English fluently, and that time you feel confident, and also your communication is increasing day by day when you learn how to speak in English fluently. And apart from it, right now I can easily understand what are other people also ask me question related to English, and also when the other person ask question related to English, I can also give his and her answer in English. And honestly speaking, I want to share with you one incident. And last I what I'm trying to say is, last month I go to Mandi, and I also gave my test, and that time I met with my old school friends, and I also called Nisha, and Nisha told me how have you been, Asha, and I also talked to Nisha. And that time after talking, my friend asked me question, so are you learning English? And that time I was feeling elated, and she was saying me, you are speaking amazing, because we are also completing our education and the same school and same teachers. And that day I realized my level is this right now, because when I joined first time, that time my level is this, and I know my level is this. And then I share this story with my sibling, and my sibling also told me that time, yes, you are growing day by day, and you have to go to extra mile for your English skill. And let me tell you, after learning skill, you also grab many things, and you also open many opportunity in your life. So I always recommend you have to learn English skill, and not an English skill, you have to learn other skill. What type of skill you need to your goal, so you should learn, because learning is the best key of success. So that's what I wanted to say.
या राइट गाइस, सो मैं भी यही कहना चाहूँगा कि डजंट मैटर लाइक कि आपके पास कौन सी स्किल है, बट यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर स्किल. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाई इंग्लिश, आई प्रेफर इंग्लिश एक्चुअली बिकॉज there are many skills in the market and there are many coaches are there, right? But if you want to learn any skill, most of the coaches, they teach or they give their coaching in English. So that's why there is a thing that English is mandatory, I would say that nowadays, for everyone. So if you are a student, so it needed to why? Because many of the books are good, books are in English, right? If you want to get good knowledge from the internet, most of the content is available in English. So that's why I would say that English is really very, very important for everyone. And suppose it is after learning English, not only your life, your coming generation life is also will be changed, right? It's your responsibility to change your life, and also to change your next generation life. And you can help your children, your siblings, your relatives, your friends, right, after learning this skill. So Asha, here's another question from you, that many of the people, they think that English is a big thing for them. So it's real, yeah, it is reality that we can't. Many of the people, they think themselves, they have the doubt on themselves that they can't speak in English, they can't learn that how to speak in English. It is a myth, or it is a truth, or universal truth?
Honestly speaking, sir, one time I also think about English is a big thing, and I can't achieve in my life, and I can't speak in English fluently. And right now I am also feel glad because I can speak in English fluently. And let me tell you, I strongly believe that if other person think about they can't speak in English, it is their myths, because they don't know knowledge about their real potential, because I strongly believe every person is capable to speak in English fluently, because they have no knowledge about how they start and how they end the sentence and how they start their conversation to other person and how they can express their words to impeccable manner other person. They don't know, and if they try to learn, so I strongly believe they can speak in English fluently their life. And apart from it, I want to tell you, if other person think about I can't speak in English fluently, other person is good speaking English fluently, they have a good environment. I strongly believe that if you want to learn English, it doesn't matter what's your environment level and what's your what I'm trying to say is what's your stage right now. But if you want to learn English, so if you first of all, if your why is clear to learn English, so you can learn English very sharply. And also English is piece of cake for his and her. So that's what I wanted to say, sir.
ओके सो गाइस, मैं यहाँ पर एक चीज़ आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा एज आशा टूल, कि बिल्कुल सही बात इन्होंने कही कि इंग्लिश मेरे लिए भी कभी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ या इनके लिए भी, और सबको ऐसा लगता है, आई थिंक सो। अगर आप भी ऐसा सोचते हैं कि आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकते हैं, सो इट इज़ अ मिथ ओनली, राइट? बिकॉज यू कैन से दैट आई टुक एडमिशन इन एन इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड ऑल्सो आई ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब और फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन मीडियम, बट आई एम नॉट सक्सेसफुल। बट आई वुड से दैट हो सकता है इट वॉज नॉट द राइट वे और राइट thing or right way to learn how to speak in English, but we have the right method. With many of the students, they have achieved their goal as Asha, right? So you can see many of the students who have learned English from us, and their videos in the description, वहाँ पे जाकर के आप चेक कर सकते हैं, and what were their level earlier, right? And at what level right now they are. So आप भी ऐसा सीख सकते हैं, आप भी इसे सीख सकते हैं, but right approach, right method की जरूरत होती है, and perfect institute have the right method. With the help of that method, anyone can speak in English, right? So after completing the course from Perfect Institute, I can guarantee that you can speak in English, right? At what level you are right now, आप किसी भी level पे हो सकते हैं.
I want to give message my viewers. You should learn English, because many times we also feel I can't speak in English fluently, and when you see your row around other person speaking English fluently, at that time we also feel uncomfortable, and that feeling is bad feeling and pathetic feeling in our life, because I also faced in my past time, and right now I am speaking in English fluently and also confidently, and I strongly believe English is part of my life, and that's what I wanted to say.
So thank you so much for coming here, Asha, and thank you once again.